Good morning students. The last previous class we are discussed some example programs we are discussed. So what are that programs? Simple programs we are discussed to read two numbers and to read three numbers variables. When can you assign the values to that particular variables and that values can be printed. So that can be we are completed that programs the last classes. Okay, so girls data types completed and variable rules, naming rules and types completed and introduction completed, some features, advantage, history, ph, that are all topics completed. Then continuation, every language after data types, variables. So after that next one is what is the topic and the operators. What is the topic? Operators. So operators means what is that? What are the operators are there in that PHP? What are the operators are there in that PHP? So what are the operators are there and the operators? You know every language here you compared. So yesterday also I gave the brief introduction about these operators. So how many operators are there? You read C language and C++ operators you read. Yesterday also I told you. Okay, you read that operators C language and C++ operators are there in that PHP and some extra operators can be added here, including that operators and some extra operators can be added here. So what are that operators? First you know the operator definition. So every language includes that operators. First to operator definition you know. So what is that operator? First we know the operator definition, and without operator definition, so how many types of operators what you can do, so that operators. So first you know the operator definition. So operator means what is that? PHP operator or any operator. So operator is a symbol. First operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol that is used to perform operations on operands. Operations on operands. So this is the what is that and the operator definition. So what is that operator definition? Operator is a symbol. First definition, what is that? Operator is a symbol. It is a symbol. So that is used to perform operations on operands. So what is that? For example here, A plus B is there here. A plus B is equals to 0. For example, this is one statement. In that, this is the operator. So these two are operands. These two are what are that? And A comma B are operands. So for example, like semicolon terminate not is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the operator definition. What is that operator definition? Operator is a symbol. It is a symbol first. Symbol means plus, it is a symbol. What is that? Plus is a symbol that is used to perform operations on operands. Here it is used to perform any operations on operands. So here addition operation is performed, and here we have to take two operands, A plus B. So that means you can enter any values, A, B values you can enter. So that means that output will be displayed. So this is the operator definition. What is that? This is the operator definition. So here what is that? For example here, so what is that here? These two are variables, and you remember this point here. Why you are taking here dollars? Here PHP any variables can be declared dollars. These two are operands. These are the PHP operands. PHP language operands. So that's why this is called what is the dollar of. So in that you have to take variable declaration. When you are declaring the variable, you have to take a dollar symbol. So dollar of A plus dollar of B, these two are operands or variables, these two are. Okay. So that means why these two are, for example dollar of A here dollar of A comma dollar of B are variables. So when you are declaring these two values, dollar of A is equals to, for example 10, dollar of B is equals to, for example 20. So when you are assigning the value to these two, so these two values are called operands. So that means any values calculation is called operands. So before these two are called, what are that? Variables, simple variables. That variables are which variables? And PHP variables. So how you can identify that PHP variables? So that variables are, before you have to take dollar symbol, that two are called PHP variables. Okay, so that is the simple operands definition and variables definition. Clear? You understand? When you assigning the value to that particular variables, that are all called operands. Simple, you can take that variable names, that are all called variables. Okay, clear Andy? So this is the operator definition. Clear girls? So then so these are the, for example this one, so you have to write these all and you have to write. Then operators types. What are the operators are there? Operators types in PHP. So how many operators are there in PHP? Different operators are there. So what are that operators are there? Different operators. So you know different operators. What are that operators you know? So first one is what is that? Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators. Then second one, comparison operators. Comparison or relational operators. Comparison or relational operators. Third one is logical operators. Then fourth one is logical after bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Then next string operators. String operators. So then string operators, next increment decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. So next increment decrement after assignment operators are there. So you know these all operators in C language and C++, you know these all operators are there. You know that all operators definitions also know, you know that all operators. So these are C language and C++ also include these operators. So extra operators. What are the extra operators can be added in PHP, including these operators? The next one, eighth one is which operator here? Array operators. Which operators and array operator. So then ninth one is which operator? Type operators. Then next 10th one is execution operators. Execution operators. Next 11th one is error control operators. So these are the 11 operators are available in PHP. How many types are there? 11 types of operators are available in PHP. So girls, you know, so arithmetic operators, you know, comparison operators, you know, logical, you know, bitwise, you know, string, you know, increment, decrement, assignment operators, you know. So these all in C and C++ language include these all operators. You read from C or C++ language definitions and operators types. These all definitions directly I write board, directly I write what are that, these all definitions, what are the arithmetic operators, what is the definition of arithmetic operator, and what are the types of arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, these are arithmetic operators. Comparison operators are relational operators, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, not equal to, that are all comparison operators. Then logical operators, logical and or not, okay, bitwise operator, bitwise and or not, shift operator. So string operators, what are the string concatenation operators, different operators are there. Then string operators, you know, different operator, increment, decrement, plus, minus, post incrementation, pre incrementation, post decrementation, pre decrementation, and assignment operators is equals to. So these all operators definitions and what are that operators you can read from which textbook or C book or C++, you have any notes or textbook, you can read that definitions and you have to write that definitions in your running notes. Otherwise you remember that these all from C language or C++ book, you read that all definitions, okay. In examination point of view, this is very important question. Compulsory you can write that all definitions and operators also you have to write. Clear Andy? So these are operators. Then coming to next extra operators, what are that operators? Array operators are there. So when you declaring the array, some operators are there. So you know array definition. So array operators are there, type operators are there. So execution operators are there. Then error control operators are there. So let us see what are the operators. These are the what are the operators are there. Let us see. We have one table in that different operators are there. So let us see what are these types of operators are there. Simple definitions are there. So let us see what are the operators. So before that, so these operators are included in that table and don't worry about these operators. So you know these all operators, these operators are included in table. Okay, I explained that operators, don't worry about these operators. Before that, I explained these operators before that. First, you know the operator types. What you know? Operator types. You know the operator and operator types. So you know operator, different operator. Then operator types also there here. Not these types. When you are using different operands, so that are operands types also there. So what are that operands, behalf of operands? So what are the operands types are there here? So unary operators, binary operators and ternary operators, and these are the three different types of operators are available in PHP. So what are that operators? Unary operators. Next second one, binary operators. Next third one, ternary operators. So these three types of operators are again there. So based on these three operators, so based on operators and operands, these three can be divided. So like this is the one expression. So in that some operands also there. So based on that operators and operands, these three can be divided. So what are that? First one is unary operator. Unary operator means what is that? Unary means, so here we have one definition. Unary means what is that? So unary operator is nothing but works on single operands. Works on single operand. Simple, and you remember, simple. I give one technique here. Unary means 1 and binary means 2 and ternary means 3 and ternary means 3. You remember these. In your mind you remember. Unary means 1, binary means 2 and ternary means 3. What 1, what 2, what 3? Here operators. Unary operators. But here we are using operands. One operand can be used in that particular expression, that is called unary. These are unary operator andi, but in that unary operator you can use only one operand, that is called what is that? Unary operators. Then in expression you have to use two operands, that is called binary operators. Two operands. Then ternary operators. In that ternary operators you have to use three operands. You know operands? Operands is nothing but variables, values. When you assigning that variables to particular values, that are all called operands. So in unary, how many operands are there? Only one operands are there. Only one operands are there in unary. So for example here, unary example. So what is the example of unary? So first you have to write the definition and each and every operator definition you have to write. Unary definition. So what is the definition of unary? Unary definition. In an expression we can use only one operand is called unary operator. So this is the simple definition. What is the simple definition? And in an expression is nothing but any type of statement in C language or C++ or PHP, whatever it is. So in an expression we can use only one operand, that is called unary operator. So example, what is that? For example here, plus a. What is that example? Plus a. So in that how many operands can be used? And here only one operand can be used. Only one operand. So these are what is that? These are what are that? Operators. How many operators can be used? Here only one operator. Only one operator. Plus means increment operator, only one. Plus means not to only one. So that's why this is called the unary operator. Clear definition. What is the definition? And girls, you have to write the notes also. These operator definition you have to write, okay, and these types you have to write. Your understanding purpose, these all you refer C language and C++ book, you have to write these all, and these definitions in these operators in available in table. I give the table, don't worry. Okay. Then next you have to write operator types again. Based on operators and operands, the operators can be divided three types: unary, binary, ternary. In bracket, unary means 1 you have to write, then 2, binary, ternary 3. So what is unary? You have to write the definition. Unary definition: in an expression we can use only one operation, one operand is called unary operator. Example, plus a. So A, it is A, where here A is operand, only one operand, plus plus is also only one operator. So that's why this is called what is that, unary operator. In that we are used only one operator. How many operators are used, not count it. Here only we can use only one operand, that is called a unary operator. Clear definition? Next, binary. Next one is what is that, Andy? So after this definition, binary definition. So what is the definition of binary? Binary. So binary means, you know what is that binary. So same, in an expression you can add the definition. In an expression we can use only one place, you have to write how many? 2. Binary definition like that you have to write, and in an expression we can use 2 operands. We can use only one place, you have to write, we can use 2 operands, is called a binary operator. Example here, definition you have to write, in that one place you have to write 2. Example, so what is that example, Andy? Here for example, here A plus B, A plus B. So A plus B, in that we can use only one operator, but we can use how many operands? 2 operands can be used here. So that's why this is called a binary operator. Clear? How many operands can be used here? 2 operands can be used. So in that we are using plus. This is called a binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic. Why it is called binary arithmetic? The plus is called here binary arithmetic. Why? This is the arithmetic operator. So that's why which type of arithmetic? Binary arithmetic. Clear definition? So this is the binary you have to write. In that you can add the definition. What is the definition? In an expression we can use only, we can use 2 operands, is called binary operator. Example, this one is example. This one is example for binary. Example, A plus B. Simple, A plus B after semicolon. So here plus is operator, A, B are operands. Plus is here binary arithmetic operator. Simple definition, you have to write that definition. Okay. The next one is what is that, Andy? Ternary. Then next one, third one is what is that, Andy? Ternary. So ternary, how many operands are there here? Ternary. In that ternary we have 3 operands are there. So what is the definition of ternary, Andy? Here ternary. Ternary operator, what is the definition? In an expression we are used 3 operands, is called 3 operands is called ternary operator. Okay. Example. So what is the example here? So what is that example? Ternary, you have to use conditional statements, conditional operator, question mark, colon, and this one is a dot symbol. Best example. So conditional operator, why we are using conditional operator? Question mark. You read from C language and C++ book, conditional operator. Why you are using conditional operator? If first condition is true, if this condition is true, then executes this statement. This condition is false, then executes this statement. You remember that statements? Clear? Question mark and colon and last terminated with dot. These 3 are ternary operators. So how these 3 can be executed? Question mark. Previous year one condition will be taken. This condition is true, then execute first part. This condition is false, then executes this part. You remember this one, that one? So in C language and C++ book, So that definition is there. Again you refer that topic, you refer that topic, you get good idea about that topic. But you know ternary operands means you have to take how many operands can be take here ternary operator, you have to take 3 operands. So here simple 3 operands are there, here 1, 2, 3 are there. So that is why this is called a ternary operator. Clear and definition? So these all what are that and these all types of operators. So types of operators, how many types of operators are there? Simple definition, 3 types of operators are there, unary, binary, ternary. Unary means one operator can there, that is called unary. Binary means 2 operators can there, that is called binary. Ternary means 3 operands can be there, that is called ternary. You know difference between operator and operand? Operator means you have to use any calculations perform, you have to use that operator. Operands means in between any operators you have to use operand. So like this is the example for operand and operators. Okay. So that is the operator types. So these are the different types of operators are there. So girls, in operators types we have one table, these array operators, then next type operators, then next execution operators, then next error control operators. We have one table. Okay. So that table I will send in a WhatsApp group. So in that table, what in that include that table, so I explain that table. Okay. So total table in that first operator is there, additional information is there, associated with it is there, 3 columns are there. What are that? Operators are there, additional information is there, associated with it is there. So first first operator is there, operator name is there, and that operator additional information is there. Then next so that associated with means that operator associativity will be displayed in that table. 3 columns are there. How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. In that first operators are there, then additional information is there, then associativity is there. So then here, so operators like what are that plus operator is there. What is that? Arithmetic operator. Minus is there. What is that operator? Arithmetic operator. Then next float array operators, int array operator. Simple and array operators ఏంటి? float and int. So that means when you declaring in array, so you have to use int float operators. So that means you have to declare particular data types and you can use that particular operators. Then next bool operator. Okay. So bool operator and increment decrement operator, then less than greater than operators, shift operators. Okay. Then next comparison operators, then next bitwise and or not operators are there, XOR there, bitwise, logical and logical or logical not operators are there. Next ternary operators are there. Okay. So then next different types of operators are there. Next assignment operators are there, logical operators. So these are different operators are there, and that operators additional information is there and activity is also there, associativity also there. So this table I will send in our WhatsApp group. Today class I will send these only table, I will send in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So this is the operators topic, total topic. This is long question in our examination point of view, very important question. You have to write these all and you can draw this table also. I will send in our WhatsApp group. That table can be also draw in examination point of view. Okay. So next class we are discussed that operators related programs we are discussed. Only theory will be completed today. Then programs will be continued next class. Okay. Thank you girls. Have a nice day.